Hello everyone, welcome to VLSI Academy. This is static timing analysis course which is used in semiconductor industry heavily for timing the designs. So who should take this course? If you are a student looking for a course on static timing analysis, if you are a VLSI geek, that means if you are one who is not in the industry but you want to learn about static timing analysis and you are very keen on it, then you must take this course. And anyone who is seeking to learn about static timing analysis right from the student level to professional level, this course is a must take for such kind of people. So what are we going to cover in this course is the following. We will be beginning with the basics of timing analysis, the timing advantages and disadvantages. We will compare it with this with the dynamic timing analysis. We will explain you all important concepts of digital electronics and timing of VLSI design. Then we will go to different type of timing paths. How do we constrain them? Then we will cover the setup and hold concepts. So setup and hold, we will see the problems also. Then we will go to clock modeling, which means we will cover the clock tree synthesis related topics also. Simultaneously, we will be covering some examples here. Then we will go for timing exceptions also. Then on chip variation, what it is. Then we will go for noise handling, and in the end also we will again study about case studies and examples, so it will be all related to practical concepts. It is very good if you are looking for industry related examples, you must take this course. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.